So good morning children. So today we are going to discuss about the continuation of our yesterday's class. Okay na? So what we are going to continue the yesterday's class, I'll discuss with you. So what does it means in page number 202? So children, see that page number 202. In the page number 202, we are going to discuss about the D. So choose the correct answers using a given words. Choose the D. So choose the correct answers using, okay, so using the given words, okay na, using the given words. Right. So what the words they given? Locomotion. First one they given locomotion, and next they given skin, and next one is a tree, and next one is the eggs, and next one is a food. These are the keywords they given. So by using of these words only you can fill the remaining question answers. Okay na? First I will write the first question. A baby plant grows into a baby plant grows into a dash. Right. So shall we discuss now? So what is the answer for this? Now I'll explain to you. Just wait. A baby plant grows into a dash. Okay. So what is the answer for that? Okay. So a baby plant grows into a. So what is it? It will be there. The locomotion, skin, tree, eggs, and food is there. So a baby plant grows become as a tree. Yes or no? So what is the answer for that? So tree is the answer for this. Okay na? And next, after completion of this one, second one will go for this. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now second one is, what is the second one, Amma? So why do animals breathe? Sorry. A frog breathes through dash underwater. A frog breathes. Okay. A frog breathes through. A frog breathes through dash underwater. Okay na? A frog breathes through dash underwater. So what does it means? There is a frog. So breathes through. What is it, Amma? Through. So here dash underwater means it is breathing, means that is a frog has a one speciality. What is the speciality? It can breathe through the skin also. Correct or not? So that's why answer is a skin. Right. Third one I am going to write. Third one, a bird lays. A bird lays dash. So what is that? A bird lays eggs. So all people they know very well because we already discussed eggs. And fourth one is, what is the fourth one? Living things need. Living things need dash to live. Dash to live and grow. And grow. So what is the answer? Living things need. So to live and grow. So what does it means? So simple, that is a food. We need na living things is our human beings also living things na. So living things need food to live and grow. clear? And fifth one I am going to explain. Fifth one, living things move from one place to another. Living things move from one place to another by a process called dash. So what is the living things move from one place to another by a process is called, what is it, Amma? Another one, skin completed, skin completed, tree completed, eggs completed, and food is also completed. What is the next one? Already there, that is a locomotion. Okay na? So locomotion is the answer for that. That's why this one also completed. The 5 options they given, 5 questions they given. That's it. Completed, all of you? Right. Now we'll go for the question and answers they given. We'll discuss the question and answers, right? Okay. I'll rub the board and I'll continue to write the question and answers. So all of you children, you can just write question and answers in your book. Now we go for it. Answer the following questions. EBIT. Answer the following questions. So what is that? Answer the following questions. First one, what is the question, Amma? The question is, so provide 2 examples each of living. Provide examples. Provide, 2 examples. Provide 2 examples each of living and non-living things that are natural. So it is not man-made. You just see to provide 2 examples each of living and non-living things. So first, living things I'll write answer. So living things. So what is a living things example? Any 2 examples. First one, what does that means? Can you see that there is a living things is a do you know what is the examples? I will see in your book what the examples they given. So living things can breathe, living things can feel, yes or no? Examples, we have more examples are there. So natural one, okay. So here the plant is a natural or not? So plant is a natural or not? So living things, it is a plants, okay, right? So plants is a one of the example, and that too it is a natural one. Naturally it will try to appear, yes or no? Okay, yes. Next one, any animal, you can write any animal. You see this is a like a butterfly, anything you can write, elephant or anything. plants. If you want to take any plant, so like a sunflower, I'm going to write is a one sunflower. Okay, and another one is animals, like a elephant. So these are the two examples, living things examples of a example, right? And next one is a non-living things. Non-living things I am going to write. So what is a non-living things which is not movable is a non-living thing. Okay, any example, table, so book, enough. Okay, living and non-living things examples. So non-living things is a table and book is a examples for that. Okay na children, understood na? Now we'll go for the remaining question answers. You can write, copy that information. We'll go for the next question answers. I'll write. What is the second question? Why do animals breathe? Name two body parts that animals use for breathing. What is that? Second one. What do animals breathe? What do animals breathe? Name two body parts. Name two body parts name two body parts that animals use body parts that animals use for breathing. So what do animals breathe, and name two body parts that animals use for breathing. So write any body parts we can write. First of all, what do animals breathe? So what is that? Animals can breathe. Just breathing will be there now. Living things can breathe. Yes or no? Yes. Living things can grow and living things can breathe, need food. Yes or no? Living things can breathe. So right is a, which is a correct, what do animals breathe means, I'll suitable get the correct answer for that. So all living things need air to breathe, correct or not? So it is suitable for that on page number 198 page. Okay. So all living things need air to breathe, human beings and okay, the fresh breathing also, definition also we can write it down. Just wait. So taking in fresh air and giving out used air is called as a, yes, taking, answer I am writing, is a short form. In your book they given as a bigger one, so short form I am going to write. So taking in fresh air, taking in fresh air, taking in fresh air and giving out used air, and giving out used air is called breathing. Okay na? So what does it mean? Taking in fresh air and giving out used air is called breathing. Now examples, two body parts that animals use for breathing. Anything, you can see the lungs is the best example for that. Okay, the first one example, that is the lungs. Who will use that? That is human beings are using, yes or no? And second one, any two body parts are there na? And next one is the fish is right to breathe with a gills. Okay na? Enough. Two are examples are enough. So what do animals breathe means? Taking in fresh air and giving out used air is called as a breathing. And here, so lungs and gills are the body parts of the breathing. Clear na all of you? Understood na? So now we'll rub the board. You just continue, you just written na all of you. I'll show is somewhat bigger one. Clear? Right. These are the body parts using for breathing. Now I'll rub the board and I'll continue the remaining question answers. Okay, so third question, define locomotion, explain it by providing two examples. So third question is define locomotion, explain it by providing two examples. So define locomotion, explain it by providing two examples. So there na, it's looking right. Now I'm going to write the answer for that. What is a locomotion, Aman? Do you know what is a locomotion? We discussed already. The ability of living things to move from one place to another is called locomotion. Correct or not? Locomotion definition I am writing. The ability of living things. Answer. This is the ability of living things. The ability of living things to move from one place to another place. To move from one place to another place is called locomotion. Okay na? The ability of living things to move from one place to another place is called locomotion. And examples they are asked na. So locomotion examples means all examples of living things are is the best for the locomotion. Okay, like so in your textbook they given, I'm going to give dog runs. First one example, a dog runs. And the next second any example you wish. The birds fly. Birds fly. So these are the examples of the locomotion examples. Okay na? Right? So there is a, and copy that that information, will rub the board and I will continue the remaining question answers. So more 2 questions are there for this lesson. Okay, how do plants make food? Fourth one, how do plants make food? So how the plants make food, Amma? Do you know how the plants are ready to make food? By using of a chlorophyll or photosynthesis, yes or no? Correct or not? Just I am going to write how there is a living things, that too there is a. So see here 197 page, the plants are capable of making their own food, okay, in presence of sunlight. The plants, answer I am writing, plants are capable of making their own food in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Air and water. So therefore they are called as a primary source of food. They are therefore they are called okay, just 1 minute. They are called the primary source of food. They are called primary source of food. And fifth question I am giving. Provide the names of 5 sense organs in human beings. So provide the names of 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs in human beings. Okay, so human beings. So what is the first 5 sense organs? See, first one, eye. So second one, ear or ears. So here third one, eyes, ears, nose. Fourth one, what is the sense organ? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, right? Tongue. And fifth one is a skin. That is these are the 5 sense organs. See, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are all the 5 sense organs are right to present in our human beings, right, or human body. Clear na? That's all. Next class we'll discuss the remaining next lesson, right?